what's up, Coconet? My name is Disciple Pati. I'm here with my Nana. Say your name for the audience. Yep. And what are we gonna make today, Nana? So you need some green bananas. One bunch. 7 bananas. So wait, what? So first we boil the water. And then we wash. So she's gonna use her peeler match wooden thing to open. Oh, yep. Yep. Love it. Wow. Look at that technique. Oh my god, this is so much harder than I thought. Oh.
You're killing the banana.
I'm sorry. So Nana likes to clean her bananas like this. I mean, she's gonna boil the whai. How long are we gonna boil it for, Nana? 15 to 20 minutes. So now Nana's gonna show us how to make the pe'epe'e. We only need half an onion. Clearly you can tell I've got a lot of experience in the kitchen. So we're gonna put in half of this can of coconut cream. We use Solo's Choice. I don't know who Solo is. Now we must put in the half of the onion, chopped up very nicely. And then we're gonna salt it. Also, please wash your hands.
Yeah, Bella.
So you drain out the water.
The coconuts are boiled and the onions is cooked as well. So,
that's me and Nana's lockdown. Me and Nana's lockdown whai. And now we're gonna taste it. So this is what people eat in the islands. They also eat it in their own family homes on Sunday as part of a kongai. So this is my grandpa, everybody. Say hi. This is Philo.
Hello.
She's just gonna taste it. Yeah. Tell us. What do you think, Grandpa? Yeah? Nice. What's your rating out of 10?
Say 7.
Whoa. See, we're such good cooks.
Yeah, it's a really good meal tonight. Pati, my granddaughter, and my wife cook it for you guys, but you know, yeah.
So yeah. Can I put this is Henry? So Coconet, that's our tips and tricks on how to make a whai. Nana's getting angry at me because she wants to eat her dinner in peace now. So we're gonna say goodbye. Say bye. Yeah. So far, so far.